In this lesson, we're going to be looking at another advanced regular expression, this time for validating URLs or website addresses. We've looked at simple regular expressions for website domains, but this time we're going to be a little bit more advanced or specific. So first of all, we have a HTML form that allows the user to enter their name and a website to validate. Our PHP program gets the name and the website in from the form, and then we simply match the given website against the pattern that we're about to create. And if it matches, then we tell the user, thank you, we're going to look them up on that site. And then if the website doesn't match our pattern, then we're going to tell them that the website address is invalid. Now let's generate the regular expression. We start off with an anchor to anchor the beginning of the string, followed by the protocol, which will be either HTTPS or FTP, followed by the colon that has to be there, followed by 2 slashes. Now, because it's possible for PHP to misinterpret the 2 slashes as being the end delimiter for our regular expression, we need to escape those 2 slashes with backslashes. So after that, we're ready to enter either a set of alphabetic characters or a set of numbers. It can be either one. Then we close off that character case, add a plus sign. Now we're going to set up another group. We want a literal dot here, so we backslash the dot because we don't want that to be the meta character. Then we're going to allow, again, we're liberal with this, so we're going to allow pretty much anything for the last part of the URL. Then we close off with a $sign to indicate anchor to the end of the string. Like I said, this is a fairly liberal pattern for a URL. You know, we could get very specific in checking different things, but for our purposes, this will work just fine. So let's save our form, open up a browser, load our form with localhost. So type in a name, then type in a website. Now notice you have to type the HTTPS. You see that it accepted that pattern. If we change that to just HTTP, it doesn't match. We could change that to FTP. And that works just fine. What if we take off the www? It accepts that without any problem at all, which it should. But now let's take off the .com. And you'll see that it doesn't match. Here's an example of an advanced regular expression you can use to match valid website addresses or invalidate other types of invalid website addresses. And with that, we'll move on to our last lesson in this chapter on advanced regular expressions.